An earthquake of magnitude 6.0 occurred early afternoon on Monday, February 6, 2023, at 3:03 p.m. local time near Sakarya, Turkey. As reported by the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC. According to preliminary data, the quake was located at a shallow depth of 10 kilometers. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. This quake was likely an aftershock of the 7.8 quake 34 kilometers west of Gaziantep, Turkey, February 6, 2023 3:17 a.m. GMT+2, which had occurred 11 hours earlier. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.